Achieving a V-shaped body is all about focusing on exercises that target the right muscle groups for that broad-shouldered, narrow-waisted look. Pull-ups are key, hitting multiple muscles and improving posture while torching calories. Bicycle crunches help carve out that defined midsection by working your abs and obliques. Lat pull-downs give you that back width, and bench presses add serious mass to your upper body. Deadlifts, though, are the game changer, engaging your entire body, boosting core strength, and even kicking your metabolism into high gear for maximum muscle growth and fat burning. Let's talk about pull-ups, guys. This simple yet challenging exercise is one of the most effective ways to build upper body strength. This exercise is a staple for a reason. It's versatile, can be done almost anywhere, and requires minimal equipment. It's not just about getting your chin over the bar. It's a full-body workout disguised as an upper body movement. When you perform a pull-up, you're not only working your arms, but also engaging multiple muscle groups. You're engaging your back muscles, biceps, forearms, even your core is working hard to stabilize you. This makes pull-ups a compound exercise, meaning they work several muscle groups at once, making your workout more efficient. And let's not forget the mental toughness it builds. Each pull-up requires focus, determination, and grit. Overcoming the challenge of lifting your body weight can be incredibly rewarding. That feeling of conquering the bar, that's pure empowerment right there. It's a testament to your strength and perseverance, and it can boost your confidence in other areas of life as well. Plus, pull-ups do wonders for your posture. By strengthening the muscles that support your spine, pull-ups help you stand taller and look more confident. We spend so much time hunched over phones and desks. Pull-ups help counteract that by strengthening the muscles that pull your shoulders back and down. This can alleviate back pain and improve your overall posture. And a strong, confident posture, that's a winner in any room. Whether you're at work, at a social event, or just walking down the street, good posture can make a big difference in how you're perceived. Don't be intimidated if you can't do a full pull-up yet. Everyone starts somewhere, and it's important to be patient with yourself. Start with assisted pull-up machines or resistance bands. These tools can help you build the necessary strength and gradually work your way up to unassisted pull-ups. Consistency is key, and before you know it, you'll be cranking out reps like a pro. Remember, progress takes time, but with dedication and effort, you'll achieve your goals. Now, let's talk about carving out that midsection. It's not just about looking good, it's about building a foundation of strength that supports everything you do. We're not just aiming for a six-pack here, although that's a nice bonus. We're talking about a strong, functional core that supports your entire body. A well-developed core can improve your posture, enhance your performance in other exercises, and even make daily activities easier. Bicycle crunches are where it's at. This exercise is a powerhouse for your core. This exercise targets your abs from all angles, hitting the upper abs, lower abs, and those obliques that give you that sculpted V shape. The obliques are crucial for that tapered look and also play a key role in rotational movements. The twisting motion of the bicycle crunch is what really sets it apart. This motion engages the muscles in a dynamic way, ensuring that you're not just working in a single plane of motion. It engages your core in a way that traditional crunches just can't match. Traditional crunches mainly focus on the upper abs, but bicycle crunches bring the entire core into play. And remember, it's all about quality over quantity. Doing a few reps with perfect form is far more effective than doing many reps with poor form. Focus on engaging your core throughout the entire movement. This means keeping your abs tight and controlled, not just going through the motions. Slow and controlled is the name of the game. Rushing through the exercise can lead to poor form and reduced effectiveness. Feel the burn, guys. That's how you know it's working. That burn is your muscles getting stronger and more defined. A strong core isn't just about aesthetics. It's about preventing injuries, improving your balance, and boosting your overall athleticism. A solid core can help you lift heavier, run faster, and even reduce back pain. So, let's get those bicycle crunches going. Make them a regular part of your routine, and you'll start to see and feel the benefits in no time. Consistency is key, and with dedication, you'll carve out that V shape and build a core that's as strong as it looks. Let's talk about lat pull-downs. This exercise is all about building that wide, powerful back that contributes to the V shape we're after. When you do lat pull-downs, you're working the latissimus dorsi muscles, the largest muscles in your back. These muscles are responsible for that V-shaped taper from your shoulders down to your waist. The wider your lats, the more pronounced that V shape becomes. But it's not just about aesthetics. Strong lats improve your posture, help prevent back pain, and give you more power in other exercises, like pull-ups and rows. When you're doing lat pull-downs, focus on pulling the bar down towards your chest with your back muscles, not just your arms. Keep your core engaged and your shoulders pulled back and down. And remember, it's about quality over quantity. Choose a weight that challenges you but allows you to maintain good form. Now, let's talk about a classic, the bench press. This exercise is all about building upper body strength and adding mass to your chest, shoulders, and triceps. When you think about that powerful V shape, a well-defined chest is key. The bench press helps you achieve that by targeting your pectoral muscles, giving you that full, chiseled look. But it's not just about the chest. Bench press also works your anterior deltoids, front shoulders, and triceps, contributing to overall upper body strength and definition. When you're bench pressing, it's crucial to maintain proper form to avoid injuries. Lie on the bench with your feet flat on the floor, your back slightly arched, and your core engaged. Lower the barbell to your chest with control, keeping your elbows tucked in at a 45-degree angle. Then, push the weight back up explosively, engaging your chest and triceps. All right, team, let's talk about the king of all exercises, the deadlift. This exercise is often hailed as the ultimate full-body powerhouse, and for good reason. This is a full-body movement that engages more muscles than any other exercise, making it a true game-changer for building a powerful physique and that coveted V shape. When you perform a deadlift, you're not just working one or two muscle groups, you're engaging a complex network of muscles that work in harmony to lift the weight. Deadlifts work your entire posterior chain, from your hamstrings and glutes to your back and traps, building strength and size in all the right places. This means you're not only getting stronger, but also enhancing your overall muscle definition and balance. They also engage your core like crazy, improving stability and preventing injuries. A strong core is essential for almost every movement you perform, both in and out of the gym. By consistently incorporating deadlifts into your routine, you're setting yourself up for better posture and reduced risk of lower back pain. But here's the kicker. Deadlifts are a metabolic powerhouse. They don't just build muscle, they also ramp up your metabolism. They torch calories, boost your metabolism, and help you build lean muscle mass, which is key for achieving that defined V shape. The calorie-burning effect of deadlifts extends beyond your workout, helping you burn more calories even at rest. Now, I know deadlifts can seem intimidating, but trust me, they're worth mastering. The benefits far outweigh the initial learning curve. Start with lighter weights and focus on perfecting your form before increasing the load. Proper form is crucial to avoid injuries and to maximize the effectiveness of the exercise. Keep your back straight, your core engaged, and lift the weight explosively through your legs and hips. Remember, the power should come from your lower body, not your back. This will ensure that you're lifting safely and effectively. Incorporate deadlifts into your routine at least once a week, and you'll start to see and feel the benefits in no time. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced lifter, deadlifts can be adapted to suit your fitness level and goals. Track your progress, stay consistent, and don't be afraid to challenge yourself. The deadlift is more than just an exercise. It's a testament to your strength and determination. So get out there and lift. So there you have it, mates. 5 exercises to help you sculpt that powerful V shape and unlock your inner superhero. Remember, consistency is key. Make these exercises part of your regular routine. Challenge yourself and don't be afraid to push your limits. You've got this. Now get out there and crush it.